Parents ask me all the time, is Roblox safe? Well, kids love it because it feels like a giant digital playground. Roblox isn't just one game, parents. It's a platform full of user-made games that kids can join with just one tap. How does Roblox work? Well, creators build experiences in a tool called Roblox Studio. Your child opens the app, picks an experience, and can play with others in real time. There is text chat in most games and 13+ voice chat that requires verification. Now, Roblox says that all chat is filtered for inappropriate content and personal information, but filtering is not foolproof, and we at smartsocial.com are very weary of this app. Roblox has a massive audience, including millions of children. In 2025, the company reported that users aged 13 and older are now the majority, but that still leaves tens of millions of younger kids on the platform. Parents should definitely treat this like a crowded public space and watch who your kids are listening to, chatting with, and what games they're playing. Parents, there's a virtual currency inside of this app, and it's called Robux. Kids use Robux to buy avatar items, game passes, or boosts. You can buy Robux or get a monthly stipend with a paid premium membership. Roblox is also adding rewarded video ads that can give players perks or currency, which increases pressure to watch these little video ads in the game and then also spend after it. You can set spending limits, parents, with your kids, and definitely talk about scams that promise free Robux, because that's a huge scam going around the internet. Now, the variety is endless, from obstacle courses to role-playing cities to virtual fashion shows. The variety is also why supervision matters so much, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. Here's where the real risks in Roblox are. First of all, there's open chat with strangers. Text chat is everywhere, and voice chat exists for verified 13+ users, but bad actors try to game filters every single day, and they find kids in popular rooms. Roblox says it filters chat and offers controls, but I'm going to be honest with you, many of their filters are far from perfect. Second, grooming and sextortion tactics exist in this game. Law enforcement warns predators often start in games and chats. They build trust, parents, and then they ask kids to move to private messaging, to share images, or meet up in real life. The FBI and the DOJ guidance is clear. Parents, you need to talk early, you need to supervise, and you need to know who your child is chatting with online at all times. Third, there's inappropriate content that often slips through. Independent researchers found children could still encounter sexual talk and be approached by adults, even with safety controls improving. Roblox counters that it's adding new parental control tools and tighter controls. Both can be true, but parents, you must be present on this very dangerous app. Fourth, there's a huge age mix and maturity levels. Experiences are labeled for maturity, including 17+ content that requires age verification. Labels help, but kids can misrepresent their age, parents, as you know, and discovery is huge on this app. Always assume your child can click into things that they did not plan for. And fifth, direct messages and off-platform invites are huge. Roblox recently tightened messaging rules for under 13 ages, and it gives parents more remote control. Still, consider teaching your kids to refuse any invite to chat on other apps. The FBI emphasizes that predators use gifts, threats, or flattery to coerce kids online. Parents, make sure to teach your kids never to share personal information or images, and tell a trusted adult if anyone online asks them to move to another app or keep any secrets. Now, here's 7 parent steps before your child plays Roblox, or if they're currently playing it. First, co-play with your kid. Sit down with your child, join a few sessions together. Second, set up a Roblox account with parent privileges and link it to your child's account so you can manage settings from your phone. Third, tighten the chat experience down. Under parental controls, make sure you limit or disable experience chat and party chat. For under 13s, keep chat off or friends only, and audit the friend list weekly and carefully. Fourth, make sure you control the content your kids see. Use content and maturity settings and understand they aren't perfect. Make sure you block specific experiences that don't fit your family values. And fifth, disable voice for kids. Spatial voice is 13+ with verification. And if your teen uses it, be present and review connections. And sixth, set spending limits. Turn on spending restrictions and talk about these Robux scams that are everywhere. And 7th, show your child how to report and block inside Roblox the moment anything feels off, and always remind them to come to you first and have a healthy dialogue with you. Now, parents, Roblox can be super fun and creative for your kids, but it's not a set it and forget it app. If you allow it in your family, make sure you play it together. If you cannot supervise it, parents, do not allow open chat or free exploration on this app. Your presence, parents, is the only safety feature that matters most.